Alright then, deal.
Go on then.
Deal. There you go. Alright, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Can I ask you who's allowed you to do this?
I'm going to shove that 10 quid right up your Is your half an hour not worth £12.20? Oh. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today I had a subscriber reach out to me. His daughter was involved in an accident. The insurance company ripped the car off as a Cat S. So he's brought it back for the insurance company. He popped me over a message and we're going to view it now. It's about a 2-hour drive from us, so it's just near Birmingham. So it's not exactly around the corner, but it's a 2018 Vauxhall Corsa limited edition. It's done 54,000 miles, 2 previous owners, and he says it's got a lot of paperwork with it. It's got all the service history of it, so hopefully it's worth the trip. The price that we've agreed sort of over the phone is sort of quite a good price. It's what they should really make before they go to auction, but obviously because you've got so many people bidding on them in copart, they make more than they're really worth. But we're on our way to pick it up now, and I'll cut back to you after we've either picked it up or when we're standing with the bloke. So guys, the reason that I was able to get this car today was through a subscriber. What had happened is that his daughter was in a car park and somebody reversed into her car. Now, the insurance company picked up her car, it was sent to a body shop. Now, the body shop deemed that the value of the repair was actually worth more than the value of the vehicle. So when this happens, the car gets written off and then it either gets the category S or an N. Now, what then happens is that your car goes to a salvage auction like Copart, and that's where people like me bid on it. But what you can actually do is that you can buy your vehicle back from the insurance company after it's been in the accident, and you'll be able to buy it back cheaper. So say if you get paid out £5,000, a lot of the time it's around £400 or £500 that you can actually buy the salvage back. And what you can then do is that you can pop me a message over on Instagram saying, Eddie, here's my details for the car, I would like £1,000. And I will then look through it, and that way you'll earn £500. I'll earn money as well because it's not going through the auction, so it's not going through their fees. So that way we all win. You can put money towards your next car, and then I can put money towards new tools. So just bear that in mind, guys. I'll leave all my links in the bottom of the description. So pop me a message over on Instagram. I'm always active on there anyway. That's where all my latest updates come from. But with that being said, enjoy the rest of the video. So we finally arrived after sending him the wrong way, making him pay the toll, but it's actually in really good nick, to be fair, especially for the mileage that it's done. It's got all the normal stuff that a limited edition Corsa comes with, and it'll definitely clean up alright. It's got both keys with it, no warning lights on the dash. The only warning light is the tyre pressure one, but it's got all the service history and stuff like that in it. And then it's on a private plate, so he's going to send off for the logbook and then email it to me in a post. There's no point in me going back up here because obviously it's 2 hours away, but yeah, it's a nice bit of isolated damage. It's not there's barely any other marks around it. I can't see any stone chips or anything like that, but it's got a diffuser on it that normally doesn't come from the factory. But yeah, it's a nice bit of isolated damage. It's not, but I think it's definitely going to need a new rear quarter, and obviously a new bumper, but I can't see any more damage to it really than all the shots are in it. All perfect, so yeah.
Take those plates off?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Oh, they're stuck on.
They're stuck on, yeah. That's quite a nice diffuser on that. Did she put it on herself, or is that just how
like that, yeah. And everyone keeps saying, I love that diffuser. Where was it standard, or? Yeah, and we just got it standard from the garage. Yeah. There's all your. Because tried that bumper on, didn't it? Yeah, because the normal one has side splitters on that comes down here, but I actually quite like that diffuser. Yeah. It makes it look a bit more. Yeah. Does make it look a bit more better. Get this car again, and then she might want the same diffuser if we can find one.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm more upset about, having to pay the toll. Sends me the wrong way.
I know, I haven't told him that yet.
Hello there, you're right. Can I ask you who's allowed you to do this?
No one was just...
No, we just thought we could just load this.
We just...
Oh, I do apologise.
It's not your fault.
No, I do apologise.
Is it from some...
No.
No.
Right,
No, it's nothing to do with it.
No, it's nothing to do with
Right,
that.
okay.
Just,
The only reason
Just
is
someone's broke down in this and we...
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Oh.
All it is we're having a few issues with the car people across the corner.
Yeah.
They used to rent the space out, but now what's happening is every car that they bring on here, we get charged for. And we've told them they're not allowed to bring cars on here. It's fine for you, not a problem. But if it's from them, then I have to report it. That's the only reason I was asking. Right, so anyway, get yourself sorted.
Right,
Have a good day. All right.
Thank you.
Learning, aren't you? Hey, you didn't fall off the side of it.
That's right, you can get a better than if you try. Yeah, you can get better than that if you tried. That's right in the middle.
No, I don't think so. It's a bit of a shame, really. We had to pay the toll.
If you keep going on about that toll, I'm going to shove that 10 quid right up your...
I'd have bought you breakfast up right now.
So it's all picked up. It's on the back of the truck now. You can see the damage a bit more better from up here now, really. But you can see it's literally just hitting that in that quarter and it's pushed it up. But really nice diffuser it's got on that. I've never seen them. Oh, I've never seen a diffuser like that for a Corsa E. But it's from 2018, like I've already said, and it's done 54,000 miles. But we're just on the way home now. What do you think?
Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. It's a nice car, it looks like it's been well looked after. Yeah. Got all the service history and keys and that.
Yeah, it's got all the paperwork, all the invoices.
Nice people.
I'll go through there, see what we've got, but we've got a 2-hour trip now back home. But I'll cut back to you when we're loading it off the truck.
Now, why couldn't we have avoided it?
I tried to, but £12.30.
What?
£12.30, mate.
It just cost us
22 quid. It cost us 22 quid, mate. You wouldn't even have to pay the first 12 quid as well.
So how comes we couldn't have gone around that way, come on further down?
We probably could have, but it probably would have added an extra half an hour, 45 minutes to the journey. Is your half an hour not worth £12.20?
Oh.
So we just got home. For some reason it took 2.5 hours to come home and only 2 hours going there, even though on the way there I went the wrong way and we ended up having to pay the toll. But we're going to unload it now and I'll show you a bit more on the damage. So thanks for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, then please give it a like. I'm going to leave all of my links in the bottom of the description. So give me a message on Instagram, anything interesting you might have. And remember, all my latest updates go on there. So give me a follow on there, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions or anything like that, guys, that you think I could improve on, or somewhere where you think I'm going wrong, then leave it in the comments below, because I do read every single comment. But apart from that, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.